Hello, I'm gonna show you how to use Vlookup plus match function and when we need to use this function. So imagine that we, for example, here have 50 column and whatever number of the rows, and we need to fulfill all this data. So we can use Vlookup function to fulfill this data, and for each of these parameter we need to enter the column index number, so we need to count it and to enter it manually. And in this case we can use a match function, so right here match. So you can fix the rows, then we need the data from this table, fix it, exact match, and hit enter. So we get the column index number, then copy this, overwrite it in the VLOOKUP function. See that we here fixed the column P, hit the enter, move it on the right side, and you can see here if we add whatever data we need, for example the gross salary sales, uh, it will be automatically updated in the table. Thank you for the watching.